Hello, welcome along to our channel. Today we are going to be installing a set of disc covers onto a Goldwing GL1800. The ones we're going to be installing will be black onto a 2015 model. The contents of the box, you would have two disc covers, mounting brackets and the fitting screws instructions. We are going to be installing them onto this 2015 model. They will fit all the models from 01 up to 2017. Now we're fitting them onto an airbag model, but they are not recommended for airbag models and they won't directly fit onto an airbag model. We will have to make a slight modification to the covers, which I'll show you now in a few minutes. You don't have to fully remove the top one, we're just loosening it off to give us a bit of play on the fender. Now we have to adjust the rotor cover so we can make it fit on. I'll show you how to do that now. What we need to do now is just cut this piece off. I would generally mark it with a piece of masking tape. You can use a hacksaw or whatever type of tool you have handy. And I will show you fitting it onto the bike. We will put a link in the description down below to the part. If you liked our channel, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you again soon.